Still between 96 and 98 in here. I've shut this air conditioner off in the kitchen. I have the one on in the bedroom. I have it set at 55 degrees and it is pumping out air, that is. $80. And I have the one back here in the toy hauler on. I have it set on 55 degrees. This one is coming out. Cooler. So what ends up happening is the only way to cool this trailer off is keep the middle AC completely shut down and off, because now I'm pumping 85 degree air out of here instead of 96. And as you can see, the controls are, as you said, 55, automatic, cold. $84 degrees, and it was just 55 coming out of there minutes prior. Unbelievable.